What are you making?
Eggs.
Pancakes?
Yeah, pancakes. Yes, with meat. With cheese and cheese.
With cheese and meat.
It's like sugar, but not sugar. Like that.
It's supposed to be like a poke.
Maybe more. Okay.
This took a long time ago. Just like when I was sick.
Good. What is the next step?
Now we'll have to fold it.
Then you fold. Or just make another part.
Something's wrong.
Good.
Now it's okay.
Yes. And then put into the plate.
Oh my god.
Hello, girls. What are you making?
We are making chocolate cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Okay. Put milk, flour, cocoa powder, eggs, baking powder, chips. Get it. What did you put here?
We put the mixture of butter, eggs, and sugar, cocoa powder, and flour.